Welcome back to An Oven Cake and Cookies. Today let's bake a soft, moist and perfectly patterned marble cake. A classic treat with both vanilla and chocolate flavors in one bite. Let's get started. Take 3 eggs and beat them well. Always use room temperature eggs for a fluffy batter. Marble cake originated in Germany during the 19th century. It was traditionally made with molasses and spices instead of cocoa. Add 3/4 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Pour in half cup oil and mix well until smooth. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve and mix gently. Don't overmix after adding flour to keep the cake soft. Add 3 tablespoons of milk and combine. Divide the batter into 2 equal parts. To one portion, add 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix to make a smooth chocolate batter. Grease a cake mold with oil and line with baking paper. Cocoa powder contains antioxidants and a hint of natural caffeine. You can use whole wheat flour for a healthier version. Pour a layer of vanilla batter. Then pour chocolate batter on top. Repeat the layers, vanilla and chocolate, using a stick of skewer. It's called marble because of the marbled effect, not because it's hard like marble. Make swirl to create a marble pattern. The swirling technique gives every slice a unique pattern. Place a wire stand inside a heavy pan and preheat it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the cake tin, cover the pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low flame. Once done, remove and let it cool. You can also bake it in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes if you prefer. Slice and enjoy the perfect marble pattern in every bite. This cake is made without butter, using oil making it lighter. Eggs provide protein that helps with energy. So that's how you make a perfect marble cake at home without an oven. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. Have you tried this before? Let us know in the comments. See you again with another tasty and fun recipe, only on An Oven Cake and Cookies.